Okay, that's the new project for here. This truck come for repair. It's nothing major, it's just some dents have to be sorted out. I already removed the bed from the frame. It'll be easier to work on. Out on both sides. Like I said, it's nothing major. It's just some dents and stuff like this. The problem is, usually when it came to the work like this, if you are living in US or Canada or whatever, it's easier to find the parts and everything. They're cheap, so it's not worth the hassle and the trouble to repair all this stuff. But since we're here in Bulgaria, these trucks are not so common, and the parts for this still can be found, but it's take like 2 or 3 months for the parts to arrive, so we have to repair them, and that part's laying on me. I mean, it's not bad shape. It has some surface rust and stuff like this on the frame, but the main thing that this came from is... it's a nice truck. It's pretty decent. I took off all the trims and everything to be easy to paint after that. Front grille, everything. It's a nice truck. So we have to make it nicer. I mean, you have to fix it up. It's nothing on the front end. Oh, the bumper and the fenders and everything. The bumper in the front is fine. The hood, the front doors. Only the back door have a dents. Still it's open up and close up perfect. It just has to be cleaned up and put back in shape. This part is the worst ones. Like I said, it's anyhow. I'll pull them up. I will try at least with the pulling hammer to try to pull this thing up if I can. If it's not, I'll cut them off and just make new part and fix it up. It's nothing on the back, everything is clean. The bed itself, it's not that bad shape. Main thing is that needs some repair here. I'll cut them off, make new pieces, put them on, clean them up, put the new. Like I said, from this plastic trims that they put on, it's hold up a lot of water and it just ruined them. I don't know why they bother even put them on. The truck is big as it is. Don't need more than that. But if you want it, just make them right, not like this stupid cheap plastic trims that do nothing than damage. The back door is nice. I mean, just a small dent. The bumper is pretty fucked up as well, so I'll fix it up as well. Anyhow, nothing special, just another day in the shop. When I do some work, I'll show you what the result will be, because I don't have much space here in the shop and filming it will be nightmare, so most likely I will show the end result. Or if I can, I will make some small shots in the middle. Okay then, see you then. So, like I said, I'll give you the view of the truck after it's done. I mean, I've done as best I can. The damage to fix. I repainted. I don't like the color. and how it's turned out, but it's not up to me. The owner like it, so the other side was handled. The bumper as well. And this piece is broken. I can do nothing about it. I fixed the metal part, but that's it. And they put on this stupid trims. I hate this stuff, I don't like them. And they were gonna put some extension for the wheels, for the hubs, to pull up the tires out to be even with the trim. But anyhow, so now I have to make a trim for here, for the bed. I mean, all around. And also if you want to put the backing on the back of the bed. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Other than that, it's not bad. I mean, if it was up to me, I wasn't gonna do it that way, but he liked it, so that's the important part. So yeah, and I'm gonna use this sheet. I mean, cut out the strips and make a trim on top of the bed. Again, not my choice, but that's what customer wants. That's how it will be. Yeah, man. Okay, I'll show you when it's done. That's the end result of this. You just put on the checkered aluminum one. I mean, it's not the prettiest one, but that's what customer wants, so that's how it's done. It doesn't look that bad, but it's not my first choice. The thing is, when he bought the car and when they bring it in here in Bulgaria, I mean, someone stole the trims on top, the plastic ones, and was open-ended. I mean, with the holes and everything, so you have to be covered up. So that's the easiest fix, I think. On a quick end. For the back, I don't see the point of it, but he wanted to put it on, so it's not a big deal. So basically that's how it is. That's how it's turned out, the truck itself in general. It's way too much red for me. Way too much. But hey, he likes it. That's how he wanted, so that's how it should be. You know, it's not what I think, it's what he thinks. That's the important part. So, there you go. Up till next one. See you guys.